Hey everyone, if you'd like to make your Google Meet calls easier to follow, enabling live captions is a great option. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn captions on during a meeting, adjust the available settings, and make sure they're working properly. Let's get started. First, open Google Meet in your web browser or the mobile app, then either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once you're inside the meeting, wait until the meeting controls appear along the bottom of the screen. Next, look for the Captions button in the meeting toolbar. Depending on your device or screen size, it may appear directly on the toolbar or inside the More Options menu. Once you find it, click or tap it. After selecting Captions, Google Meet will begin generating live captions automatically. So, as participants speak, you'll see their words appear near the bottom of the meeting window in real time. If your version of Google Meet supports multiple caption languages, open the caption settings and choose the language you want to use. Selecting the correct language usually gives you much more accurate captions. If you no longer need captions, simply click or tap the Captions button again to turn them off. You can switch captions on or off whenever you want during the meeting without interrupting the call. Before you continue with your meeting, confirm that captions are appearing correctly whenever someone speaks. If captions aren't showing up, check your internet connection, make sure your meeting audio is clear, and verify that captions are enabled. And that's all it takes to enable captions in Google Meet. I hope this tutorial helped you make your meetings a little easier to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.